Hi there, students. Cookie cutter, with a hyphen. This can either be a noun or an adjective. Okay, as a noun, it's It's something that's got a shape and you use it to cut out cookies. Yeah, you roll out your dough and then you cut cookies, the biscuits, into shapes. I would probably call it a biscuit cutter, into shapes. Here's another one. These are cookie cutters. Yeah. Okay, so he used a cookie cutter to make the shapes, to shape the biscuits. Now, we also use cookie cutter as an adjective, meaning similar to other things of exactly the same type, in a way that shows little imagination. So I'm sure you've all been to a housing estate at some time, and you see all of the houses are identical. A row of cookie cutter houses. Yeah, they're all identical. There's no imagination. They're all exactly the same. The family got on the bus with 3 cookie cutter kids. Yeah, identical or the same, in the same way. Yeah, so I went into town and bought a cookie cutter burger to eat. If you have a McDonald's or a Burger King or all of these burgers, they're more or less the same. Cookie cutter. There's no imagination. They try and tell you it's different, but it's not. So cookie cutter, it's being critical. It's saying that a series of things that are the same, marked by lack of originality or distinction. I've seen so many cookie cutter English classes that I vowed never to give those types of classes again. Yeah, get out your books, page 16. These to me are cookie cutter classes. Make your own. Cookie cutter shopping malls. Yeah, shopping malls. They're all the same. They've got the same shops. They look the same inside. They smell the same. Yeah, that's cookie cutter shopping malls. Yeah, so much of our life nowadays is cookie cutter. Yeah, it's whether you buy brand A, B, C, D, E or F, they're all cookie cutter. They're all the same, all these cookie cutter brands. Yeah, all trying to persuade you that we're different, but they're not. Yeah, row upon row of cookie cutter houses. Yes, people always provide the cookie cutter solution to certain problems. Yeah, but so cookie cutter without originality, the same as ever. Yeah, cookie cutter as an adjective. And then the origin is easy. Yeah, a cookie, a biscuit, and then the cutter, and this is a cookie cutter. You can make 50 of these that all look identical. Yeah, maybe it would be more fun to cut them out with a knife. Then they wouldn't be cookie cutter, they'd be more original. So cookie cutter, lacking imagination, lacking originality, all the same. Okay, next question. How formal is this? Cookie cutter houses. I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. I think you could use it in an informal conversation. I think you could even use it in a very formal writing, because it says identical and boring very easily and very nicely. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. I hope this wasn't another cookie cutter video by me. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Cookie cutter.